All right, party people in the place to be. We got you, we got me, and we got the DJI FLIP. We're gonna do our first flight over here in the beautiful Landa. As you see, you open it, unflip it, and it cuts on, which is I like that little trick. Some people don't, but I do. The drone is up, party people. The drone is up. And of course, since we are in beautiful Landa, you gotta look at this water, people. Gotta look at this water. So there we go. Because this is the flip, we're gonna do some little exploring. We're gonna see how this infrared does. To me, straight out the box, the drone flies pretty damn good. If I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. Look at that. Look at that. And I don't have any filters on. They haven't came. I ordered some, but they haven't came. But look at that. Look at that. So what happens when you keep your water clean, people? There we go. This is gonna be a little short little flight. This is gonna be our short little first flight. Get away from them trees. Because we don't have really obstacle avoidance in real life. So look at this, people. Look at this beautiful. Oh, look at that. Almost hit a line, people. See what I'm saying? We don't really have obstacle avoidance. But we're going to make it do what it do anyway. And once again, look at that beautiful water. Look at that beautiful water, people. If you haven't ever been to the world famous Landa Park, people, you need to come out and check out the beauty. And yeah, it's a little bit windy out here. But this thing is moving like butter to me, y'all. I know I've seen a whole bunch of people saying this, that, and the third. Look at that. Look at that. But I mean, straight out the box, only time I've flown it is without a remote, just doing the hand launching thing. And I haven't did any kind of adjustments or anything with the gimbal. But out the box, man, I'm telling you, for a noob, I don't think it get any better than this, peoples. If y'all know another drone that's better than this for a noob, let me know. Because I think this one is pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. That wind picking up. We're just doing us a little friendly flight. Seeing what we can see. Trying to keep it nice and easy. You can see to the right, you got the apartments, buildings and whatnot, right off the water. And right across there is where they have Worst Fest. Nice high quality German town, German Spanish town rather, but Worst Fest is German festival. And you know what? Matter of fact, let's get some altitude. Let's go and get a little bit of altitude. I don't want to get it too high because that wind blowing, it might it might blow this little drone away. We're gonna get a little bit higher. There we go. There we go. We're gonna get a little bit higher. We're gonna go across the street. Yeah, the controls on this thing is like butter, man. I'm not even gonna touch the controls, the gimbal speed or whatever. This is like butter. Make sure we stay up high so it won't hit any of these power lines. And as you can see, there goes that little water trail I was on. And if you see the H, that's where I am. But I figure I always come here and I show one part of the park. This park actually has a swimming pool right here, which of course is not open. And then there's a little kiddie pool over there. And it also has, if we can dip off in between these trees, a little train for the children, or the adult children. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You're supposed to be able to use these gloves. But yeah, they have a little train. Let's pop on out. And also, they have a golf course right next to it. And over yonder, look at that beautiful water. Look at it. You can see straight through it, straight through her from dang near 800 feet up in the sky. You can see straight through the water, straight through it. Look at that. Look at that, people. Look at it. Look at that. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful? But right here, you can use those little paddle boats to explore this beautiful, beautiful place. And if you ever watched any of my other videos, you've seen this beautiful, beautiful place. And if you continue to watch and subscribe, you will continue to see this beautiful, beautiful place. Yeah, I know I've seen a bunch of videos about flying this drone and the wind getting a hold to it. But it's a little windy out here, and it's not shaking from what I'm seeing on this camera. So I think it's pretty damn good, myself, for what it is. And there you go. Now, what I have not heard anyone talk about is, and maybe look at that. That's a beautiful view. Is the return to home. Let's see how good the return to home is.
Return to home.
I feel like you probably, since it doesn't really have obstacle avoidance, I really feel like it's probably safer for you to do it yourself. But we about to see. I wouldn't really use this to fly around and explore. I have the Air 3S, the Mini 4 Pro. I would just use this in a little small area like this park. So if it does crash into something, I can go pick it up. But flying it just like I flew it, I would probably not do that again. Being that it doesn't have obstacle avoidance for real, it just has that infrared. And yes, taking it a while to get back here, but it's going. It's going. 43 seconds, people. 43, 30 seconds, people. Come on, let's see where it's at. You know I got the Meta Ray-Bans on, so when it does appear, gonna move this Pocket 3 on over here so we can see a little bit better. I can hear it.
Landing.
There we go. Uh-oh. Yeah, it stopped. It was gonna land on top of this building, people. So we're gonna call that one a fail. We're gonna call that one a fail. But we got it back home. Anyway, like I said, don't concentrate on the fancy smancy. Sometimes just get out there and fly your damn drone and have fun. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer. To the next episode, people. Peace.